How to enable or disable notifications for Bitrix24 on your Android device. So first, go ahead and open settings on your phone. After opening settings, you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on the search bar and type in apps and select the first option that shows on your screen. Then tap on manage apps, which is right below system app settings. Then you'll again see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and type in Bitrix24, then scroll down until you see an option called notifications. From here, you can enable and disable the notifications by simply tapping right here. And this is it. These are some simple few steps you can follow in order to enable or disable notifications. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.